Hello, this is second round of domination. First map. I kill him with a grenade, and I capture his flag, and he switches to my team as I'm winning 60 to 22, as you can see right there. And then he kills me with his FAMAS, which makes me end it. There's the victory right there. Let me get it to here. This was my match before. Search and destroy. I did lose to him. 3-2. And TDM, the third map, he dropped host because I was beating him. And as Game Battles knows, lower ranked team hosts last two. He dropped host TDM, so I have no proof for that map. Thank you.